Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to freeze frame in Videopad editor. And if you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to this channel, it means a lot. So here I have this video added to the timeline, track 1 in Videopad. Let me play this clip and find the frame that I want to freeze. Okay, so I'm going to take the playhead, move it back, and let's say I'd like to freeze this frame right here. So my playhead is on this position here. I need to now click on these scissors to split the clip at playhead. Then I need to left click and drag this part out, basically create the gap between the two clips. Then I'm going to right click here on the gray area, navigate to close gap in track, and then select freeze final frame of clip to fit. So what that means is it's going to take the final frame of the clip on the left hand side and fill in the empty gap. Let's see how it looks. Okay, as you can see now this section has been filled with the last frame of this clip here. So now replay the clip. And that's the final result. Okay, now if you wish to adjust the duration of this frozen frame, so let's say I'm going to move this clip out. I can just grab this bracket here, move it left to make it shorter, or move it right to increase the duration. And then you can just reattach the clips, and that's it. And then you can carry on, do the same across your video as many times as you like. And that's it guys, I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.